Hello friends, welcome to our channel Infinity Infopedia with another exciting review. Today we are going to take a closer look at the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. If you are a fan of smartwatches, then you would not want to miss this review. We will explore all the latest features and upgrade of this powerful wearable device. So let's dive in. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is a stylish and feature-packed smartwatch, which comes with the stunning design. The watch has a circular shape and comes in two sizes, 40mm and 44mm, and it's available in a variety of finishes, including stainless steel and aluminum. The bezel is smooth and rotates effortlessly, making navigations on the watch much easier. The watch also comes in a various colored bands, so you can choose the one of the best fit your personal style. One of the standard features of Galaxy Watch 6 is its vibrant and responsive AMOLED display, which make it easy to read notification and message on the go. The watch has a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels and it supports always-on display mode. Now let's talk about some of the features that make this watch stand out from the competition. One of the biggest upgrades from the previous model is the improved health and fitness tracking. The watch comes with an advanced sensor that can monitor your blood oxygen level, heart rate, and even your sleep pattern. The watch can also track your workout, including running, swimming, and cycling, and provide real-time feedback, making it a great tool for fitness. In addition to its fitness tracking feature, the Galaxy Watch 6 offers a variety of smartwatch capabilities. It can receive notifications from your phone, including text and phone calls, and has a variety of apps available for download, including Spotify and Uber. The watch also supports Samsung Pay, allowing you to make payments directly from your wrist. Another impressive feature of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is the seamless integration with other Samsung devices. You can easily control your smartphone, smart TV, and other Samsung devices right from your watch. This makes it easier to stay connected and productive throughout the day. But that's not all. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 also comes with a powerful battery that can last up to 2 days on a single charge and a range of battery saving feature. The watch also has a fast charging feature that can give you a quick boost in just a few minutes. It also supports wireless charging. This means you can spend more time enjoying your watch and less time worrying about charging it. So there you have it guys, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is a powerful and stylish smartwatch that packed with feature. Whether you are a fitness freak, a tech lover, or just someone who wants a reliable wearable device, this watch is definitely worth checking out. So what are you waiting for? Head over to your nearest Samsung store and get your hands on the Galaxy Watch 6 today. I hope you liked this review. Like and subscribe to our channel Infinity Infopedia for more updates and amazing content of tech world. Thank you for watching.